Hello friends, this is Sai Fenender from SQL School. This is to inform you about short details on our Oracle DBA training from our SQL School. Over 19 years of dedicated service exclusively on database technologies. This particular short session today, planned for few minutes, is all about what we learn in our Oracle DBA training program, dealt by our experienced professional certified trainers. Before we step into Oracle DBA details, what is database? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, fully secured and carefully planned to suit your day-to-day business needs. Right from QR codes to passwords, anything can be stored with ease. There are two types of databases. Number one, OLTP databases. There are two basic types of databases. OLTP databases to store live real-time data. We call them online transaction processing databases. And other one, data warehouse to store historical data. Data warehouse, DWH, to store old, historical, stale, inactive data. Data engineers will take care of it. Azure data engineers, AWS data engineers, Google Cloud, GCP, etc. We are into database management administration that involves the day-to-day management, day-to-day administration, day-to-day monitoring and troubleshooting of any database, OLTP or data warehouse. To perform this day-to-day doctor or day-to-day nursing of the database, we need a software called DBMS, Database Management System, a software to store, secure, and manage databases. One such DBMS, Oracle. We have other DBMS as well, like Microsoft SQL Server, IBM DB2, MySQL, Sybase, so on. We are into Oracle. Oracle is a DBMS, supports big data, powerful security features, quick data operations, versatile features, faster updates, and supports any cloud platform. Usually, banking sector is the best match for Oracle. Besides that, we have insurance, healthcare, e-commerce, retail sector, and so on. And the day-to-day activities of a DBA, Oracle DBA, involves maintenance, security, performance, troubleshooting, repairs, updates, cloud migrations, data loss, data recovery strategies, and friendly customer support, and so on. So the major DBA job roles involve software installations and maintenance, extraction, transformations, and loading activity management, data handling, backups, recovery, authentication, security, capacity planning, monitoring, tuning, and troubleshooting concepts. In our Oracle DBA course at our SQL school, we are going to start from the scratch, Unix and Linux commands to start with. Slowly step into SQL, environment installations, and Oracle architecture, multi-tenant architecture, and new database creation and management. Managing Oracle databases, control files, redo log files, archive log files, tablespace, data files, segments, network and backup recovery management over the network. Security management, accounts, user accounts and authentication. Encryption, access monitoring, instance management, data files and redo log files, control file backups and parameter files. We do have the concepts pertaining to archival process, organizational data security at enterprise level, administration planning, automations, merging and user database handling activities, patching, high availability and disaster recovery with data guard, performance tuning, enterprise manager support workbench activities, log service request or SRs, logging and handling SRs, managing the patching activities, cron tab scheduling and shell scripts, and lot more. So the main objective of this course is to get ourselves to be proficient DBA, ready for our job desk. What more? Yes, let's sign up for a live demo class. Let's interact each other. I request you to interact with our trainer. Get all the clarifications, questions addressed, and then continue your course. We have other DBA courses from our school. Microsoft SQL DBA, Azure, Postgres, in addition to this Oracle DBA. Reach us for free demo class today and attend for 1 or 2 live classes. See how it goes. I'm pretty sure you like them, you like them. They suit your needs, your job needs. Come on, let's join our hands together. I shall be waiting for your live demo participation. And thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you. See you soon. Thank you once again.